Hello everyone. One day, Mr. Richards started 30 minutes late from home and reached his office 50 minutes late while driving 25% slower than his usual speed. How much time in minutes does Mr. Richards usually take to reach his office from home? So this is our question and options are given. So 20 minutes, 40 minutes, 60 minutes, 80 minutes and 100 minutes. So we have to calculate this time of Mr. Richards. So let's start the solution of this question. So first of all, let's usual time is equal to t minutes and let the distance from home to office equal to d and let usual speed equal to v. Then we will use speed formula or velocity formula, which is usually equal to velocity equal to distance divided by time, but here we will write this formula in term of time. So time equal to distance divided by speed or velocity. So this t is the time as mentioned over here, d is distance and v is velocity. So this is time at normal speed. And now while driving 25% slower than his usual speed. So for this, we will use this formula for new time, or new time will become t equal to d divided by 75% speed, because he is 25% slower. So therefore the speed will be, or velocity will be 75%. And now this 75% can be written as 75 divided by 100, and this 75 by 100 can be written as 3 divided by 4 when divided by 25. So now we will flip this value, and this equation will become 4 divided by 3 into d divided by v, this d divided by v. And as we know that d divided by v is basically equal to time, so we will put t over here. So our new time will become 4 divided by 3 times of usual time. So this is the time with the slower speed. And now this was a given condition in the question that one day Mr. Richards started 30 minutes late from home and reached his office 50 minutes late. So overall, late due to slow driving equal to 50 minus 30 equal to 20 minutes. So he was 20 minutes late because of slower driving, because he has started from home late, and that late was 30 minutes. So due to slower driving, his late time was 20 minutes. Therefore, we can use this formula: time at slower speed minus time at normal speed equal to extra time taken. So time at slower speed, this is our new time which we have calculated. So this is 4 divided by 3 t, and normal time is t. So 4 divided by 3 t minus t, and extra time taken is 20 minutes. So this is our equation, and we will solve this equation to calculate the time. So let's solve this equation. So this will become 4 minus 3 divided by 3 into t equal to 20. And now this will become 4 minus 3 equal to 1. So this will become t divided by 3. And we will multiply this 3 with this 20. So this will become t equal to 60. So now let's come back to our question. This was our question. One day Mr. Rich started 30 minutes late from home and reached his office 50 minutes late while driving 25% slower than his usual speed. How much time in minutes does Mr. Richards usually take to reach his office from home? So these were given options. So as we have solved this question, and we come to the point that the time taken by Mr. Richards on usual driving is 60 minutes. So this 60 minutes is our correct answer, and option C is the right answer of this question. So I hope you will have understand the solution of this question. This was all for today. If you have any kind of question regarding this question or this solution, so you can discuss it in comment section. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Take care.